Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to earn money fast in Township. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Township on my mobile. If you click right here in the top right corner on the coins, from here you can get some coins. You can buy them with real money. If you click also right here on the cash, you can also buy the cash with real money. And right here in the top left corner, you're gonna find your level. So as you can see, guys, I'm right now level 3. And right here, you're gonna find your population and also your population cap. Right here, you're gonna find the settings. From here, you can sign in to your Facebook account. You're gonna find some additional settings, enter a promo code. You're gonna find the news, the community, and from here you can see some more games that are for the same company. So as you can see, guys, right here you're gonna find this note icon. If you click on it, you're gonna find the available tasks that you have. As you can see, guys, each task, once you complete it, you're gonna get some rewards. If you click on the gift box like this, you're gonna see that's the rewards that you're gonna get. As you can see, guys, for example, if I complete this task, I will get 6 XPs and 10 coins. So this is a very good way to get coins. For example, I'm gonna click on go, click on the helicopter, click play, and then I will send the helicopter by following these steps. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.